Good evening all. I am going to make no oil, no boil concept. அதாவது தமிழே சொல்லிடுறேன். This is so we have to cut it off means we should without boiling we should eat more. That means we will prevent disease. So I am going to make two dishes. That is this is called hand pounded rice. This is in Tamil they will call aval. So I am going to make with this aval laddu, no? And the other one is with coconut milk. Same aval I am going to make payasam. So let me start with laddu aval. Already I washed and drained the water because I don't know here the facilities are not there or not, I don't know. So I did it in home itself.
That is wet or dry, ma'am?
This is wet.
Wet.
Wet only. அதாவது தண்ணியில ஊற வச்சு அலசி எடுத்துட்டு அதை drain பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டாங்க. Then after that palm sugar. And then I am going to put dry fruits and nuts. First dry grapes. And then some cashews. These are all gives more energy. And then I peeled and I cut the dates. I am adding this also. Badam. Finally I am adding honey. These are all energy giving. For the smell, for the taste or smell, using cardamom powder.
Which powder?
Laddu. So always Indian people used to hand only. This is come very easier for us. It will take more time to cook. So avoiding cooking, we have to eat like raw food. This will not dissolve. It will be eaten. If you cook, all will go off.
Incoming voice.
Honey. For Ganapati Prasadam, it is called Panchakajaya. Panchakajaya. We have to prepare like this and offer to Vinayaka.
We are going to have a raw food guru from Panama. His name is Dr. Aris Latham. He is known as the raw food guru of the world. And he is there, he is 78 years. And for the 50 years, he is raw food. He is only on the raw food. He climbs the coconut tree and every day plucks the fired academy. That is, he says, God has cooked the food by the sun rays. Why you are cooking the food again? So he says, by cooking the food, you are losing all the nutrients and also it complicates your health. Most of our diseases, what we are facing today is diabetes or cancer or many more diseases. 4,000 and odd diseases has been recorded by the British Pharmacopoeia. The modern medicine says there are more than 4,500 types of diseases. But if you follow the natural way of living with the raw food, there is
the UK, we have a day called Throve Tuesday, which is Pancake Day. And Pancake Day is the day before Ash Wednesday, which is celebrated in the Christian calendar. The community and serve food to people who are poor. You might not realise this, but there's people in the UK who are poor. There's people who have no food, there's people who have no heating, and there's people who really struggle with the basic necessities. And that's in the UK. There's lots of people living below the poverty line. That's in the UK. And when we used to give out food, we used to do idlis, dosas, different chats, and
and then some cashew, dried grapes, and then cut bananas. All together in a So I will give you and you give me the feedback. You taste and give the feedback.